Good morning! Today we are going to make an email account to use for educational purposes. Step 1. Type in Outlook. Step 2. Click on the Outlook button. Create account. Type in what you would like your email address to be. We are going to use I like corn 5 at outlook.com. Create a password. A password of 8 characters. Click Next. Make sure your password is 8 characters. Click Next again. You can add your first and last name. You can add your date of birth. Your birthday is soon. Enter the characters into the search box. Click Next. Open your mailbox. You can set your time. You can pick a theme of a cat. And an interesting calendar. You do not have to add your mobile number. You are almost done. Click on Let's Go. Now that you have your email account, we can make a Pinterest account. Open a new tab by clicking on Create a New Tab. Go to the Google. You can type in Pinterest. There it is. Click on the Pinterest. Log out. And you can create a new account with your brand new email address. Create a password. Enter your age. Click Continue. Make a better password. Click Continue. You can enter some characteristics about yourself, such as your gender, your country. Click Next. You can enter your interests, if you can find them. That is educational. Now you are ready to use your Pinterest account with your new email address.